What's up guys, What's up guys, Jeff Ong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, we are gonna unbox the Yeezy Boost 350 version 2 in Marsh colorway. So let's go. Before we start this vlog, I want to give a big shout out to Sir Jack Yu of HBK Sneakers. You can follow them on Instagram at HBK Sneakers over here, and I'm gonna link their Instagram and Facebook page on the description box below. And another shout out to Scoop Community on Instagram for giving me this hoodie, and you can use my code JeffOng to get 20% discount at the checkout. So let's head on over to the unboxing of the Yeezy Marsh. So before we unbox the Yeezy Marsh or the Yeezy Marsh IVANA, so alam niyo na kung bakit Yeezy Marsh IVANA yung tawag ng iba dito dahil dito sa photo na to. Before we unbox this is a kinda limited, or this is kinda exclusive na release because hindi siya na-release in store, na-release lang siya sa yeezysupply.com, which is a website ng Yeezy. Doon lang siya na-release last February 1, and I think this is the first Yeezy 350 na medyo naging unique or medyo ni-reconstruct nila or ni-remodel nila yung silhouette ng shoes. Because if you've watched yung review ko or yung unboxing ko ng Yeezy Sage, wala na siyang pull tab, the stitching is clean na, and yung colors na ginamit nila medyo monotone na. I mean, what I meant sa monotone is yung midsole niya and yung body niya medyo similar na or totally similar na siya ng color, which makes it more minimal and futuristic for me. And basta I'm gonna discuss the shoes more when we see it. So let's start with the box right here. It's your usual or typical Yeezy 350 or your Yeezy box. It's brown, and at the top we have the 350 or the Yeezy or the 350 number, which is the model number of the pair we have over here. And on the left part we have this. We have the details of the shoes. As you can see, this is size 9. The purpose of this is for unboxing only, and hindi ko siya gagamitin because I'm size 10 or 10.5 or 10.5 na nga, as I've said or as I've mentioned sa mga previous Yeezy 350 unboxing ko. Ang mga advice ko lang is go half size up talaga because this is a snug fit. So ayun, these are the details. And on the other side we have this, the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, and we have a tiny Adidas Originals logo over here. And at the front we have this, the Boost. So make sure that the Boost text is on the center. This is one factor to legit check your pair. And on the bottom part it's blank, and at the back part it's blank as well. So let's open the shoes or the sneakers there. So once we open it, it is your typical sneaker tissue paper or your typical Yeezy tissue paper over here, and here is the shoes. Trust me guys, ano siya, mas maganda siya in person talaga, cause nung first na nakita ko siya, yung color niya, sabi ko ay parang frozen yellow lang, ay parang Yeezy lang yun, na parang feel ko medyo mahirap bagayan. I mean, yung mga gantong color kasi hindi ko siya masasuggest if ito yung magiging first pair mo ng Yeezy 350 because hindi siya like neutral, hindi siya basic. If you're gonna go for the basic one, go for the, syempre alam niyo na yung mga sesame, yung mga triple white, yung mga black static, yung mga ganyan, basic siya. I mean ano siya, for me as a shoe collector or a shoe enthusiast, ang suggest ko if you're gonna collect muna yung mga basic, which is yung mga neutral, white, gray, black, brown, ganyan, before you head on over to the bright colors, or bahala na kayo kung gusto niya naman, kung may kayo sa bright,
get this.
And let's start with the shoes. Let's start with the upper part of the shoe. So similar as the usual Yeezy 350s, it is made out of premium prime knit material, yung upper part niya. Then, as you can notice sa shoes, it is parang yellowish na green, but for me, dun sa ni-release na Yeezy 350s na kabatch na, I mean, hindi naman kabatch, like ka-same color nito ng mga, yun nga, yung Yeezy Real, yung frozen yellow. I think ito na yung pinaka-neutral and pinaka-mabilis bagayan na Yeezy 350 na in shade ng yellow. Because, I don't know if sa video medyo loud yung color niya, but in person, it looks really nice. Medyo may pagka-subtle, medyo may pagka-neutral yung yellow niya, which is versatile, I think, sa mga outfits. Then what we can notice here is on the lateral panel, we can see a silver part over here, which is actually 3M. As you've seen sa unboxing ko ng Sage before, same material siya. It's 3M, parang metallic material. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna take a photo with flash again para makita nyo yung effect niya pag pinicture na siya with flash. Yun. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna post it somewhere here on this video. So yun, it's a 3M material, so it's kind of unique because hindi siya translucent material, and hindi siya translucent or hindi siya transparent na you can play around with your socks para maiba yung color and design ng shoes. It's basically 3M or metallic material, and it is kind of cool because if you're wearing it at night and may tumamang ilaw, maganda yung effect niya because it's yun nga 3M metallic material. And on the rope part, we have a standard rope laces na same color as the upper body of the shoe. And yun nga yung sinabi ko sa start ng video na to. Yung iniba nila dito is parang naging same tone na siya, mas naging like minimal, mas naging malinis yung mga colors ng Yeezy 350s na lumalabas, which I like. And yun, let's go to the midsole of the shoes. Sa midsole ng shoes, it is your typical ribbed midsole, but for this part, it's kind of semi-translucent, yellowish translucent na makita mo yung boost material inside. And for the sole, up to the heel naman, they use a parang white siya na may parang medyo greenish tint ng konti, but it is noticeably lighter dun sa yellow. Ayan, may kita nyo naman, and it goes up to the toe part of the shoe, which is I like, pero worry ko lang dito baka medyo mag-yellow siya, pero feel ko hindi naman siya malaking issue kasi alam niyo naman pag ginagamit naman natin yung shoes, hindi naman natin may iwasan madumihan unless you're the type of shoe collector na hindi ginagamit yung shoe or dinidisplay lang. But ako kasi, ako yung type ng shoe collector na niro-rotate ko talaga yung mga shoes na ginagamit ko, and once in a while nililinisan ko sila para hindi sila masira. And the accent part of these shoes lang, I mean, look, pag tinignan nyo siya, I mean, kita nyo lang this part, yung 3M part, and this one, the parang yellow-orange piping over here, which is I like. Hanggang sa may sock lining siya, nagko-continue yung yellow-orange or orange-yellow na piping niya. And similar din siya sa may insole niya. Let's take out the insole. So the insole has the same color of the orange or yellow-orange piping over here, and at the other part it is white. Tapos yan din yung may kita masyado, but yan, meron siyang typical na Adidas Originals na Yeezy color over here. I mean, text over here but same color as orange, so hindi siya masyado makikita. And yun nga, for the sizing nga, it's half size up parati pag Yeezy 350. So if your true to size is size 10, you should order or you should buy 10.5 para ma-sure. Pero if you ordered 10 accidentally, you can remove the insole of the shoes para magkasya yung sneakers sa inyo. So there, I would suggest you guys, as I've said earlier, I would suggest you guys to buy this if you have the neutral colors or the basic colors of Yeezy 350s na. But if you like it talaga and alam ko may mga tao talaga na gusto yung parang striking colors, yung parang unique yung color, yung parang papansin agad yung color. This is a good buy as well. I mean, yung combination ng colors niya, it's super nice. And that's it. For me, my favorite part about the shoes is yung 3M reflective material niya and the orange piping. I mean, it's a subtle detail lang but ang lakas nung dating niya sa shoes. And yun nga, as I've said earlier, this is a different, they changed it na parang, I think nagtatry sila ng ibang way to like modify the shoe. So they removed the pull tab over here. And yun nga, the stitching, I'm gonna show you clips. The stitching is clean now, and as you can see sa inside, meron siyang parang cover over here, which is I like. But if you're gonna ask me kung ano yung mas maganda, like, kasi parang nagkaroon na siyang 3 versions eh, yung X na stitch, yung super halata, which is yung meron sa mga blue tint, tapos yung meron sa earth is yung parang line na stitching lang. And this one, yung parang totally wala na stitching. I would go for the X. For the X1, yung parang kitang-kita mo talaga yung stitching. Kasi, ewan ko, mas may dating lang siya. And that's it. Here's a quick overall preview for you guys. Again, I can't give you a non-fit preview because hindi ko siya size. So, I'm just gonna give you a quick preview of the shoes. And guys, before I forget, the retail price of the shoes when they released this EasySupply.com is yung usual SRP ng Yeezy 350 is $220 or around 11 or 12,000 in peso, but the resale price of this, if you're gonna get it sa mga resellers, is around 18 to 20,000. I think the cheapest you can get this is 18,000. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing vlog. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at IamJeffOng. If you have questions, you can message me directly on my Instagram or you can just comment it down below. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.